Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Hulu outside US. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how you can use Hulu outside the US. Hulu is only officially available in the US and Japan, but with a VPN, you can securely access it from anywhere. I recommend NordVPN because of its reliable servers that help you avoid detection. Simply open your browser and go to the NordVPN's official site. Choose a plan that fits you, Basic, Plus, or Ultimate. Then download and install the app on your device. Once installed, connect to a US server, and you'll be able to watch Hulu seamlessly from abroad. It's quick, secure, and gives you full access to your favorite shows no matter where you are. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.